Host. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating aspects of history, culture, and religion. Today, we embark on a spiritual journey as we delve into the captivating history of Hajj, one of the most significant pillars of Islam. Join us as we uncover the origins, traditions, and profound meaning behind this sacred pilgrimage. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now let's start our journey through time, exploring the rich history of Hajj. Origins of Hajj host. The origins of Hajj can be traced back to the Prophet Ibrahim, or Abraham, who is revered by Muslims, Christians, and Jews alike. Ibrahim was chosen by God as a messenger and patriarch, and his story is intertwined with the history of Hajj. According to Islamic tradition, Ibrahim, along with his son Isma'il, built the Kaaba, the sacred shrine in Mecca, at the command of God. Host. The Kaaba became the focal point for worship, and Ibrahim established the rituals associated with Hajj, including the circumambulation of the Kaaba and the symbolic stoning of the devil. Over time, these rituals have become integral parts of the Hajj pilgrimage. Early history host. In the early years, Hajj was primarily observed by the local tribes of Arabia. However, after the advent of Islam in the 7th century, Prophet Muhammad emphasized the significance of Hajj and made it mandatory for all able-bodied Muslims who could afford it. Host. The message of Islam spread rapidly, attracting followers from different parts of the world. The annual Hajj pilgrimage provided a unique opportunity for Muslims from various regions to come together, fostering unity and a sense of community among believers. Historical transformations host. Throughout history, the Hajj pilgrimage witnessed significant transformations. In the medieval period, Muslim scholars and explorers, such as Ibn Battuta, documented their experiences during Hajj, shedding light on the diverse cultures and civilizations they encountered along their journeys. Host. With the advancements in transportation and communication, the number of pilgrims increased, leading to the need for better infrastructure. The Saudi government has undertaken several projects to accommodate the growing number of Hajj pilgrims and ensure their safety and comfort. Hajj in the modern era host. In the modern era, Hajj has become more accessible to Muslims worldwide. Air travel has made it easier for pilgrims to reach Mecca, and the Saudi government has implemented various measures to facilitate the smooth flow of pilgrims during the Hajj season. Host. Technology has also played a crucial role, with live broadcasts and social media platforms allowing Muslims around the world to witness the rites and rituals of Hajj, even if they are unable to physically be there. Significance and lessons of Hajj host. Beyond its historical and logistical aspects, Hajj holds deep spiritual significance. It is a journey of self-reflection, devotion, and unity. The rituals performed during Hajj symbolize the unity of all Muslims, regardless of their nationality, race, or social status. Host. Hajj teaches valuable lessons of humility, sacrifice, and equality. It serves as a reminder of the importance of compassion, kindness, and unity among the Muslim community and humanity at large. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it. So what are you waiting for? Hit that shiny red subscribe button right now and embark on an incredible journey of knowledge, discovery, and inspiration.